Now we start our exercise. Exercise 1.1 and this is the first question of exercise. The question is minus 2 upon 3 multiply by 3 upon 5 plus 5 upon 2 minus 3 upon 5 into 1 upon 6. We have to solve this question by using property. एप्रोप्रिएट प्रॉपर्टी यूज करके जहां जो प्रॉपर्टी लग रही उसका यूज करके इस क्वेश्चन को हमको सॉल्व करना है. यू कैन सी दिस क्वेश्चन. You can observe one thing, minus 2 upon 3 into 3 upon 5. We will write minus 2 upon 3 into 3 upon 5 as it is. And in the third term also minus 3 by 5. So first we will write this term minus 3 by 5 into 1 upon 6. First we will write this term. Now your second part plus 5 by 2 as it is. If we are changing the place of rational number, so which property we will use? A plus B is equals to B plus A. If we are changing the place of rational number, so we will use commutative property. Now 3 by 5 in first term also, 3 by 5 in second term also. So can we take common? Take common 3 by 5. निकाल लो दोनों में से 3 by 5 common. So we are taking 3 upon 5 common. Multiply sign as it is. यहाँ से 3 by 5 गया. Your minus 2 by 3 will as it is. Minus sign as it is. Here we remove 3 by 5. So 1 by 6 plus third term as it is. Now it is the form of A multiply B plus C. That means distributive property. Distributive. Why we are using here the distributive property? Because it is the form of A multiply by B plus C. That means AB plus AC. Now first we will solve this bracket. So 3 by 5 will as it is, minus multiply sign as it is. Now first we will solve the bracket. Their denominator is different, 3 and 6. So we will take the LCM. बोलो LCM क्या होगा? 3 and 6, 6. Now in the table of 3, 6 will come 2 times. How many times 6 will come? 2 times. So this 2 multiply by that 2. 2 2 ja 4. Minus sign as it is. Now 6 1 ja 6 and 1 multiply by 1. So minus 1 plus 5 by 2 as it is. Now 3 by 5 as it is. Minus minus plus sign will be minus. So 4 plus 1 5 and minus 5 upon 6 plus 5 upon 2. 5 से 5 cancel. 3 1 ja 3. 3 2 ja 6. So your first term will be minus 1 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2. Now in that condition your denominator is same. So directly numerator will be added or subtracted. Minus 1 plus 5 upon 2. Minus 1 plus 5 means 4 plus minus minus. 4 upon 2. 4 upon 2 means 2. So your answer will be 2. Now again I explain this question. Your question is minus 2 upon 3 multiply by 3 upon 5 plus 5 upon 2 minus 3 upon 5 into 1 upon 6. We have to solve this question by using property. So first we will write first term as it is, minus 2 upon 3 into 3 by 5. We will write as it is. Now first we will write third term. Third term means minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6 plus आपका 5 by 2 as it is. हम इसको यहाँ ला रहे means we are changing the place of rational number. तो which property we will use? Commutative property. Now 3 by 5 in first term also, 3 by 5 in second term also. तो हमने क्या किया? दोनों में से 3 by 5 common लिया. Take common 3 by 5. Now if we are taking 3 by 5 common, then 3 upon 5 multiply by minus 2 upon 3 minus 1 upon 6 plus 5 by 2 as it is. It is the form of A multiply B plus C. That means distributive property. Now 3 upon 5 as it is, minus sign as it is. The LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. तो क्या होगा आपका 3 के टेबल में 6 आता है, 2 टाइम्स इस 2 का इस 2 में मल्टीप्लाई किया, 2 2 जा 4, माइनस साइन एज इट इज, 6 1 जा 6, इस 1 का 1 में मल्टीप्लाई किया 1 प्लस 5 by 2 एज इट इज. नाउ 3 by 5 एज इट इज, मल्टीप्लाई का साइन एज इट इज, माइनस माइनस प्लस साइन विल बी माइनस, 4 plus 1 5 by 6 plus 5 by 2 एज इट इज. नाउ 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6, it will be cancelled. Now 5 से 5 कैंसल, सो ऊपर से बचा माइनस साइन एंड नीचे 2 प्लस आपका 5 by 2 एज इट इज. सो minus 1 plus 5 upon 2. Why here writing upon 2? Because denominator is same. So now minus plus will be minus and sign will be in large number. So 4 upon 2. 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4. तो आपका आंसर आएगा 2. Now our second question is 2 upon 5 multiply by minus 3 upon 7 minus 1 upon 6 multiply by 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 14 multiply by 2 upon 5 by using property. This is same as question number first. So first 2 upon 5 in first term also and 2 upon 5 in third term also. So first we will write 2 upon 5 multiply by minus 3 upon 7. Then first we will write third term plus 1 upon 14 into 2 upon 5. Now second term will write minus 1 upon 6 multiply by 3 upon 2. We are changing the place of third term. So here we will use commutative property. Now 2 upon 5 in first term also and 2 upon 5 in second term also. So we will take common 2 upon 5. Here we are taking the common 2 upon 5 common, then minus 3 upon 7 as it is plus symbol as it is, 2 by 5 common, 1 upon 14 as it is minus. Look at this question carefully. 3 in the table of 3 6 will be cancelled 2 times. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. So 1 multiply by 1 means 1 and 2 multiply by 2 means 4. So their solution will be 1 by 4. Now here which property we are using? Distributive. Now 2 by 5 as it is, multiply का sign as it is. The LCM of 7 and 14 is 14. In the table of 7, how many times 14 will come? 2. Now 2 multiply by 3. 2 3 ja 6. Minus sign will be as it is. Plus 14 1 ja 14. Now 1 multiply by 1 means 1. Minus 4 as it is. Now 2 upon 5 multiply by minus plus minus means 6 minus 1 is 5, but 6 is larger, so we will put the sign of larger number. Minus 5 upon 14 minus 1 upon 4 as it is. Now 5 से 5 cancel, 2 1 जा 2, 2 7 जा 14. So minus 1 upon 7 minus 1 upon 4. Now here denominator is different, so how will you solve? Minus 1 upon 7 minus 1 upon 4. The LCM of 7 and 4 is 28. 7 के टेबल में 28 आता है, 4 टाइम्स इस 4 का 1 में मल्टीप्लाई किया minus 4. Now 4 के टेबल में 28 आता है, 7 टाइम्स 7 का 1 में मल्टीप्लाई किया minus 7. Now minus minus plus sign will be minus. So 4 plus 7 11. 11 upon 28. So your answer is minus 11 upon 28. Again I am explaining this question. We have to use the property and solve this question. 2 upon 5 multiply by minus 3 upon 7 minus 1 upon 6 multiply by 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 14 multiply by 2 upon 5. The 2 upon 5 in first term also and 2 upon 5 in third term also. So first we will write the second term, then after we will write second term. So 2 upon 5 minus 3 upon 7 as it is, plus we will write third term 1 upon 14 into 2 upon 5 minus 1 upon 6 into 3 upon 2. We are changing the place of third term. So here we will use commutative property. 2 upon 5 multiply by, now I am taking the common 2 upon 5. So 2 upon 5 multiply by, यहाँ से कॉमन निकला बचा आपका माइनस 3/7, इधर से कॉमन निकला बचा 1/14 माइनस, इसको हमने सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में कर लिया, 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6, इस 1 का 1 में मल्टीप्लाई हुआ 1, 2 का 2 में हुआ 2 2 जा 4. यहाँ पर कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी यूज हुई आपकी, a into b plus c means distributive property. Now 2 upon 5, the LCM of 7 and 14 is 14. So in the table of 7, 14 will come 2 times, इस 2 का 3 में मल्टीप्लाई, 2 3 जा 6 माइनस साइन as it is, प्लस 14 1 जा 14, 1 का 1 में मल्टीप्लाई 1 माइनस 1 upon 4 as it is. Now 2 upon 5 as it is, multiply का sign as it is, 6 plus 1 5, but 6 is larger number, so here we will put minus sign, minus 5 upon 14 minus 1 upon 4. Now 5 से 5 cancel, 2 1 जा 2, 2 7 जा 14. So minus 1 upon 7 minus 1 upon 4. Now the LCM of 7 and 4 is 28. 4 1 जा 4, 7 1 जा 7. Minus minus plus sign will be minus. So your answer is minus 11 upon 28.